Well, we just pulled in here to Muncie, downtown at the Diamond, and we had a green light, and we have a CSX train coming from the east, and there is a Norfolk Southern across from us on the Frankfurt district, and we're waiting on those trains. We haven't been able to come for a long couple weeks because my mom, she had a massive stroke, and they're putting a feeding tube in her today, so we stayed home from the hospital. We have a few things we got to do. We had a train to catch, and we got to get groceries, everyone's favorite thing to do. That was a nice coal train. I don't know if it was full or empty because I can't see well enough to tell if the springs were compressed or not compressed. So let me know down in the comments what you think.
The coal train.
Later.